In this video, we'll show you how to easily export your email designs from Beefree to your Iterable account using our Iterable connector. This integration streamlines the workflow for marketing teams across industries like healthcare, pharma, e-commerce, and fintech who rely on Beefree for design and Iterable for email automation. The Iterable connector removes the need for manual HTML downloads and imports, and with just a few clicks, you can send emails directly from Beefree to Iterable, enabling faster and more efficient email campaign management. With that said, here's how to connect Iterable to Beefree. When you're ready to send your email to Iterable, click Export in the top right corner. In the pop-up menu, click Push to your sending system, and then select Iterable. Next, you'll need to create and input your API key. An API key is a code used to identify and authenticate an application or user. To create an API key in Iterable, make sure you're signed into your Iterable account. In the top navigation bar, we can select Integrations and then API keys. In the top right corner, we can click New API key. And we can give our key a name, so we'll call it Beefree API key. In the Type dropdown, we'll need to select Server Side, and now that we're ready, we can hit Create API Key. Okay, now remember, after you create your API key, you'll only be able to view it once, and so after that, it won't be visible again. So it's important to copy it right away and either paste it into Beefree or save it somewhere safe. If you lose it and your account gets disconnected, you'll unfortunately need to create a new one. For more information on creating API keys in Iterable, I've linked the help documentation in the description. Next, let's enter a name to identify our account. So we can write Beefree and Iterable here, and then hit Connect. And finally, to create a template of our email in Iterable, we can click Create. Okay, so we've been hit with an error message here, but I'm glad we did. This is a perfect opportunity to explain that Iterable, like many other email sending platforms, requires certain mandatory fields or merge tags to be included in every email exported to and from the platform. And so if we add those merge tags to our email and then click Create again, voila, our email template has been successfully created this time in Iterable. To view our email, we just need to click this link here. Once inside Iterable, you'll see your email loaded up in their email designer. From here, you can carry out a variety of actions like send a test email using the Send Proof button. We can preview our email on desktop versus mobile, and we can even change the name of our email here. Now, if you ever close your email or can't find it, don't worry. You can just click on Content and then Templates, and you'll find it sitting in this list below. Now, before we wrap up this tutorial, it is important that we mention that you can edit your email within Iterable. However, we do strongly advise that you make any edits inside Beefree, especially for modifying design elements, tweaking the layout, or making multiple changes to the text and formatting of your email. Now, the reason for this is because Beefree can't guarantee your designs will appear accurately upon sending if those edits take place in Iterable. By editing in Beefree, we'll make sure your designs are fully responsive and well optimized for rendering, so that the recipient always sees the exact same email you designed. Just remember that any changes you make to your email in Beefree will need to be re-exported to Iterable using the Update Existing option. This will replace your old email with your newly edited one. And that's all, folks. Design your emails in Beefree and then send them in Iterable in seconds. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so you'll never miss another opportunity to level up your email design game. As always, thanks for watching.